The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about the fiduciary duties of LLC members and managers. We'll first talk about the difference between a member-managed LLC and a manager-managed LLC. A member-managed LLC is one in which the members themselves, the shareholders of the LLC, do the management of the LLC, and this is registered with the Secretary of State as a member-managed LLC. A manager-managed LLC is an LLC in which a manager is appointed by the members, and that's the person with the managerial authority, and it could be a group of people. And when you have a manager-managed LLC, you register with the Secretary of State as a manager-managed LLC. This is important because members of a member-managed LLC and managers of a manager-managed LLC have authority to bind the LLC to contracts, and they also have certain fiduciary duties to the company. Members of a manager-managed LLC may not have these same fiduciary duties. So if you've got a manager appointed and you're basically just a shareholder of the LLC, these fiduciary duties may not apply to you. However, even if you have a manager-managed LLC and you're just a member, if you are acting in a managerial role, then the fiduciary duties we're about to discuss do apply. So what's a fiduciary duty? Fiduciary duty is a heightened responsibility that you have to someone else based on your relationship to that person, over and above the responsibilities that you have to not act negligently towards anybody that you might meet on the street. So it's a heightened duty of loyalty, care. We'll talk about the different types of fiduciary duties. But one is the fiduciary duty of loyalty, and that obligates each member or manager of the LLC to avoid conflicts of interest. So they can't secretly, personally benefit at the expense of the LLC. They can't leverage the LLC to help themselves at the expense of the other members of the company. There are certain times that an LLC member can benefit from LLC business outside of just benefiting as a member of the LLC, but in these situations they have to disclose and get consent of the other members. There's also a duty of care. The duty of care is the duty to act in good faith and exercise reasonable care in managing the LLC. This is kind of tempered by something that we call the business judgment rule, which means that members and managers can't be held personally liable for ordinary decisions in the course of business as long as they are made with reasonable care and good faith. So even if the decision causes a loss of money or doesn't pan out the way one would want it to, you can't hold the manager of the LLC personally liable as long as they act in reasonable care and good faith. So that's the business judgment rule, but they do have the duty to act with reasonable care and in good faith. Members and managers have a duty to refrain from competing with the company. So you can't set up a side business that competes with the LLC that you're managing, unless, of course, you get consent from all the other members of the LLC. Finally, they have a duty to act fairly in dealing with the company. So if you are going to give a loan to the company or have a transaction of your personal business with the company, it has to be a fair transaction and usually has to be disclosed to the other members and managers of the LLC. So those are the fiduciary duties of LLC members and managers. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.